Couples who are starting out seek visits to the therapist office to prepare, while couples who have been together but are now stuck seek visits to the therapist office to repair. At the Koumidou Retreat Center, nested in the foothills of New York's Catskill Mountains, we offer unique private couples retreats that provide an experience equivalent to 6 months in the therapist office. Led by me, Yolanda, a psychotherapist working with couples for over 30 years, we will create an experience illuminating where you are and where you're ready to go. What makes these retreats truly unique is that we host one couple at a time, ensuring personalized attention. The sessions are not timed by a clock, allowing us to work together throughout the day with breaks as needed. You'll participate in sessions both individually and as a couple. At the core of my approach is the cutting-edge method of bonding patterns, enabling us to uncover the intricate dance between you. We predict and address patterns that may require future attention. We find the root causes of current problems and identify areas that may need change, adjustment, or acceptance. Together, we foster a deeper understanding of your personalities and needs. You walk away with a map in hand, illustrating relational patterns that allows you to see each other through a new lens, providing guidance for the next steps in your relationship. I invite you to embark on this transformative journey together.